Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your CapCut account on mobile. First, open the App Store and type CapCut in the search bar to check if the app is updated. If an update is available, update it first. Once the app is updated, open CapCut and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. After that, tap on Manage Account. Scroll down, and at the bottom right, you'll see the Delete Account option. Tap on it. Wait a few seconds for it to load, then tap on Continue. CapCut will ask you to verify your account again, so tap Continue and sign into your CapCut account once more. After signing in, wait for the confirmation screen to load, then tap on I still want to delete my account. Once you confirm, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.